Welcome to MoveFit Mama, your blend of dance fitness and bodyweight strength training. Made for mums at any age or stage of motherhood. I'm starting with a quick tutorial, but if you want to skip it and head straight through to the workout, do the slidey what's it mood of that thing. Move number 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So slow tap, walk in the cat, walk, slow tap, we're walking, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. I've got a Moana in a high chair looking at me right now. It's actually quite concerning. I'm going to turn her around. Better. Move number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have I done 4? You meant to do 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sassy attitude. That way. Double. Sass. You've got it. You'll be fine. Move number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Titty slap. Hip, round we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Titty slap. Hip, round we go. Gorgeous. It's giving catwalk moment. Okay, let's give it. Give it! Walk forward, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, bitch. Let's go. Arms. Switch. Double. Nice. We're going to go back to the walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Give it. Catwalk. Let's go. Arms. Yes. Double. Hip, round. Hip, round, walk. 1, 2. Yes. Nice. Last one. Oh my gosh, you've got no balance. 1, 2. Yes. Arms up. Reach. Nice. Today. Hip, round. Reach. Walk. Yes. 1. Gorgeous. Give it. You're stunning, babe. Back to arms. Switch. Yes. Double. Sass. Reach up. 3. Reach again.